वेलकम टू माय चैनल टी एंड टीचर। आपने ये कहावत सुनी होगी, डोंट बी द सेम, बी बेटर। So today we are going to talk about how a teacher can be something better. So today's topic is how a teacher can be self-directed. Self-directed का मतलब होता है being capable on its own. So a teacher needs to be self-directed if she wants her children to be self-directed learners. So first thing the teacher needs to do is move away from a fixed growth mindset. उसका मतलब होता है कि आपका जो mindset है as a teacher when you are teaching needs to be moved. आपको एक fixed आइडिया या फिक्स नोशन से नहीं चलना है कि नहीं आई हैव टू डू ओनली दिस और आई हैव टू डू इन दिस वे. सपोज यू आर डूइंग एनी साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट, इट कैन बी डन इन अ डिफरेंट वे. यू डोंट हैव टू डू द usual way what it was taught to you, so you can always do in a different way. So when you move your mindset from a fixed notion ki, okay, these things can be done in a different way also, you will be able to help the children also to be a self-directed learner. Second thing the teacher needs to do is invest in her self development. So when I say self development का मतलब होता है टीचर को अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना होता है with different skills. It's not that now you are a B.Ed or teacher or you are an M.Ed teacher or you are a preschool teacher and that's done. You have to have some skills. So keep on upgrading yourself, develop yourself in the new things which are coming in the environment. This will help you to be more self-directed. Next is try out new ideas, okay, and have an exploratory attitude towards teaching. So if you will try new ideas and you will go every time with something new, your children also will like it. You yourself will feel motivated to teach. So why trying new ideas is important for a teacher is that she herself has to feel motivated and interested to teach. So that way you will get self-directed. Next is you have to actively participate in your self-development. Now, what do I mean by actively participate in your self-development? So you have to understand your strengths and weaknesses, work on that, develop your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and come up with something new so that whenever you are doing something related to teaching and doing it in a different way, you will feel more motivated and self-directed and happy to do and deliver those lessons. Try out various new things, explore yourself. Last, learn to be a good decision maker. So when I say good decision maker, like suppose you are having a lesson where you feel, okay, this need not be taught, or this can be omitted, or this can be done in a different way. I can do it through another way, or I can put it into an activity form. That would really help you to make a good decisions. When you start taking these decisions as a teacher, okay, I can do this differently, and you will not be stuck in the routine, you will not be stuck in the rut, and you will always be interested and motivated to learn new things. So what I mean by self-directed is you need to, a teacher also needs to be self-directed or motivated on her own to do new things. So when as a teacher you will do something new things and face challenges and accept new challenges, then only you will be able to put these qualities or these things in your children and make them self-directed learners. I hope you have liked my tips and techniques which I keep sharing through my channel T and Teacher.